From the Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 10, powered by RP Sanjeev Goenka Group, Growing Legacies, and Riva University.
Ladies and gentlemen, the so-called self-champions of free speech and the intolerance gang in Bollywood have gone hiding and are totally silent as the Maharashtra government openly and brazenly threatens Kangana Ranaut. That too, in some cases with violence. Tonight, as she single-handedly takes them on, watch the depths to which they are falling to target an actor for questioning them and their police, rightly so.
Refugees attacked with chappals. Her photos blackened. For the last 2 days, Maharashtra government has launched a calibrated attack on actor Kangana Ranaut.
पूरा महाराष्ट्र, पूरी मुंबई, जहाँ तक लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का सवाल है, पुलिस के हाथ में सुरक्षित है। और जिनको इस प्रकार का बयान जिन्होंने दिया और वो समझते हैं कि मुंबई में उनका रहना सुरक्षित नहीं है या महाराष्ट्र में उनका रहना सुरक्षित नहीं है, तो उनको मुंबई या महाराष्ट्र में रहने का अधिकार नहीं है।
This threat from the Maharashtra Home Minister comes after a series of sensational revelations on The Nation Wants to Know that put complete focus on the drug nexus that is thriving in Mumbai.
पुलिस का डर,
पुलिस तो मतलब आपको पता है ना, कई बार तो वहाँ पे पता चल रहा है पुलिस ही उनके सबसे बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स है। तो वो तो आप प्लीज, आप भी नो कि कैसे सिस्टम फंक्शन करता है।
पॉलिटिशियंस भी होते हैं।
पॉलिटिशियंस की तो ये कैंपेनिंग करते हैं ना सर।
Her disclosures shook the power corridors in the state. Sonia Sena is now issuing violent threats.
भविष्य में अगर आप तभी मुंबई में वापस अगर आओगी और हमारी महिला आघाड़ी के माध्यम से अगर कुछ हो गया तो उसकी जिम्मेदारी लेने में भी हमें कुछ गलत नहीं लगेगा।
Unfazed by the attacks, a fearless Kangana Ranaut is fighting back. She tweeted, and I quote, "I see many people are threatening me to not come back to Mumbai. So I have now decided to travel to Mumbai this coming week on the 9th of September. I'll post the time when I land at the Mumbai airport. किसी के बाप में हिम्मत है तो रोक लो."
ये महाराष्ट्र जो है छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज का महाराष्ट्र है। आप बाप की भाषा करते हो तो ठीक है यार, देख लेंगे महाराष्ट्र को बाप है या नहीं।
Protests, threats, and shocking intolerance. Is Kangana being targeted only because she questioned the Mumbai police cover-up in the Sushant death case? Is she facing threats because she exposed the truth about the Bollywood drug mafia? Is it because she said she can't trust the Mumbai police who seem to be siding with accused number 1 Riya Chakrabarti? And is it because she is refusing to bow down to the Sonia Sena government and has openly decided to take on them? Let's debate.
Okay, so I'd like to start with Shreya. Shreya, what is I'm still trying to find out what is wrong with what Kangana said. She said she's questioning the Maharashtra government for backing accused number 1, completely correct. She is questioning the Mumbai police for its complete, mess up, completely correct. She's also saying that is there some ban on me coming? I mean, in that context, she's asking, not stating. Unless you are hard of hearing, she's asking, is Mumbai POK? She's not saying. She's asking. In other words, she's saying Mumbai is not POK. Now, problem, Akshay, is with the Sonia Sena, sorry, not Shiv Sena, is that they have realized that the drug mafia nexus, politician, drug mafia nexus is all going to come out right now, so they need something to distract. Actually, Swapnil, you look at what she says. She asks, is Mumbai... No, 1 minute, Akshay, 1 minute, 1 minute. I haven't completed. She's asking. She says, is Mumbai become like POK? In other words, she's saying, am I to be stopped from coming to my own city? Now, these poor people, they have no other issue. They realize Riya Chakrabarti is going to be arrested, and Swapnil, you know, the names of all the politicians will then come out. Those who are part of the drugs nexus. 1 minute, Akashdeep, 1 minute. I want to hear Swapnil first. Swapnil.
Yeah.
Swapnil and Akashdeep. Swapnil and Akshay Bandarpurkar. Yeah. First, Swapnil.
Yeah. Well, you know, is it POK? Is a very, very indirect question, and it's a very nice question to ask, that we are not POK.
Exactly.
We are not Taliban.
Exactly.
So as to invite these kind of gags on us. And please wait, Akashdeep, let me finish. Akashdeep, please wait. Let me finish. This is not a problem. This is a very simple question to ask, and to invite unnecessary threats, burning of play cards and posters and photographs is absolutely inappropriate in my opinion. I think the government is taking a bit too far. Arnab, what is most important is that she has got all the right to question in a way that she is asking questions. Excuse me, let me finish, please. Can I finish?
No.
May I finish? May I finish? May I finish, please? May I finish, please? May I finish? Then you can come in, please. May I finish?
Akshay, the display of fake anger is not required. Akshay.
Absolutely.
The display of fake anger is not required.
No.
Akshay, please, may I finish?
Your display of fake anger is not your acting.
Akshay, may I please?
Are we live from Mumbai or are we live from Islamabad at the moment, Arnab?
Excuse me, even I am a Mumbaikar. I don't need to learn about Mumbai. मी मराठीत चुस्ता बोलतो आणि मला हे नाही पाहिजे. We don't want this. May I finish, please?
You are not. You should be talking about the people of Mumbai. You should be talking.
I am talking
about the film.
So may I finish? May I finish, please?
Akshay,
may I finish my point?
Akshay, I have a question. 1 minute, Swapnil, I have a question.
May I finish my point?
Akshay, I have a question for Akshay. 1 minute. First of all, Akashdeep, be quiet. I'm talking to Akshay, right? Don't mistake your names. Don't mistake your names.
I'm not.
I said to someone earlier today that had Balasaheb Thackeray been among us, he would have been horrified that his party is supporting Riya Chakrabarti. You should be taking on the drugs mafia. And to take on the drugs mafia was your job. You did not do that. But remember, Akshay, the people of Maharashtra are watching, allow me to complete, and the people of Maharashtra are against the drugs mafia. The people of Maharashtra are firmly against the drugs culture, the drugs mafia, the Bollywood mafia, the drugs culture, the rave parties, the midnight rave parties. People of Maharashtra don't support that. No. 1 minute, Akshay. My question to you is, listen to my question. Listen to my question, please. Listen to my question. 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 Don't rant.
So
do not rant. Do not rant. Listen to me. The people of Maharashtra are with us. The people of Maharashtra are against the drugs culture.
No, but what are we trying to rank? We are trying to rank about misbehaving with a woman.
Roshan.
Burning her pictures. What is this? Is this the culture of Maharashtra? Is this the culture of Maharashtra? Misbehaving with a woman like this? Is this what we are trying to say? I'm sorry. This is not how Maharashtrians behave with a woman.
What was the need?
What did she say? Did she? What?
You are threatening to attack her. Okay, so
Is this the Maharashtra? Is this
while
the
I
man
understand
of
the
Maharashtra?
undercurrent,
Is this the Maharashtra? Is this how Marathas behave? Is this how Veer Shivaji ji would behave with a woman? What are you saying?
You don't even know how Maharashtrians behave. Probably you have
I know. I'm a Mumbaikar. I am born and brought up. I'm a Mumbaikar. I'm a Maharashtrian. I know how they behave. I love Mumbai. I love Maharashtra. And it hurts to see Maharashtra, the Maharashtrians behaving like this.
my question is today, Maharashtrians are not behaving like this. It is only Sanjay Raut, who is threatening, he's saying dekh lenge. Now my question is, Akshay, first of all, calm down. First of all, calm down. Don't have to show your fake anger. It doesn't matter. Listen to me now. Listen to me. My point tonight is this, and Shreya, a person like Sanjay Raut, who questions the personal life of Sushant's father, who has abused Sushant and the family, is now saying, Shreya, Kangana ko dekh lenge. I'll tell you, having known Kangana for some time, Shreya, let me tell you, she will fly down to Mumbai, she will come out, she will drive to her house, and I would like to see Akshay Bandarpurkar kaise dekh lega. एक महिला को अटैक करने की धमकी हो रही है. I'd like to see. And I want to know, I'm only curious to know, Bharti Pradhan, I'm curious to know, where is Amitabh Bachchan? Once upon a time, angry young man.
Why are you asking?
When a political party is saying, where is Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Amir Khan? No, where are they? Shabana Azmi, where are they? Javed Akhtar, Farhan Akhtar, where are they? A political party is threatening to assault a woman, actor, where are they? No, where are they? Bharti, where are they?
Why are you asking me?
I am thinking because you are connected to them. No, where did they go hiding?
Tell you what,
where did they go hiding? I'll make a statement today. I'll make a statement today. Kangana Ranaut has more guts than all of them put together. Kangana Ranaut has more courage than all these people put together. History will remember. History will remember. History will remember that Akshay Kumar, Ajay Devgan.
I'm not going to be answering.
No, none of them. Amitabh Bachchan. All these Bollywood people, when the Shiv Sena said we will physically assault, Kangana Ranaut, all of them went hiding. No, why did they go hiding? Why did they go hiding? Shreya, why did they go hiding?
Is it your show or is it?
No, I'm asking. It's my show, that's why I'm asking. Why did they go hiding?
Why are you not allowing your guest?
No, but I'm asking, you're not answering. Why did they go hiding?
Allow me to speak.
Why did they go hiding?
I'm your guest. You ask.
Yeah, but why did they go hiding?
Allow me to speak.
A woman is being threatened with assault. She's got the guts. Why did they go hiding?
First and foremost, Kangana Ranaut has been exposing a lot of people in the last 3 to 4 years. One after the other, nothing has happened to her, okay? Nobody is going to touch a hair on her head.
Have you seen the statements made?
We are Mumbai.
Have you seen the statements made? Where is no, in any case, why can't a single statement be made by the so-called heroes of Bollywood?
City.
Why?
It's a magnanimous city.
No. I don't. City is magnanimous, not the Bollywood mafia. Shreya, they hate her guts because she said 99% of Bollywood uses hard drugs.
Seriously,
I want to say that given that what man is saying that nothing should have happened to Sushant also. I don't know, she's not letting me speak. Nothing should have happened to Sushant also, ma'am, given that we are in Mumbai.
Why are you bringing Sushant into this? Why are you bringing Sushant into this?
This is totally related to Sushant's case. Can I speak? May I please speak? If you allow me, I will speak.
It's not related to Sushant Singh. Right now, it's not.
It is.
What happened today and the topic you're talking. The topic today has nothing to do with
The topic today is this. The topic today is this. I'll ask you. My question is, no, I'm curious to know, why is Salman Khan not issuing a public statement on the interrogation of Bunty Sachdev? Why does Salman Khan not speak about Bunty Sachdev? Why? Does Salman Khan not know Bunty Sachdev? Does Salman Khan not know Cornerstone, Kwan? Does Salman Khan have any dealing with Kwan? You will know. Why does he not make a statement on Kwan?
This was a country where FOE.
No, why would he not?
You forgot about FOE. FOE means you can talk when you want. Nobody can force a statement out of you. Why should you dictate what they should talk about?
This is just a way for threatening, intimidating witnesses and citizens of this country.
Ladies and gentlemen, breaking news. Ladies and gentlemen, breaking news. I've just got the breaking news coming in. Dipesh Sawant has been brought into the NCB. It appears some more arrests are going to happen soon. Fast breaking news right now, ladies and gentlemen. This is moving very fast, and I'm telling you the Disha Salian case is going to come up. And as I predicted, the Bollywood drugs nexus is going to really blow up. And viewers, Republic is bringing exclusive pictures. Deepesh Sawant has been brought to the Narcotics Control Bureau, and we are hearing that major big arrest could happen soon. Breaking news, the cameras are moving. You're seeing the latest pictures coming in from the Narcotics Control Bureau. Only live and exclusive. That's Shawik, our anchor. That's Sohail, Syed Sohail. Syed Sohail, our anchor, is live with us right now. I think we're about to get a live report from Syed Sohail. Let's hear what he has to say. We'll wait a little minute, ladies and gentlemen. This is a very interesting stage of the investigation, ladies and gentlemen. And a lot of breaking news first on the channel. And Kangana Ranaut is speaking for the truth right now. And no attempt to try and block her will work. Syed Sohail is next to us with a camera. First breaking on the story. The cameras are moving above the heads of the reporters out there. And we should be getting a first visual of Deepesh Sawant. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, Deepesh Sawant. Deepesh Sawant is the person with whom Sushant was very, very close. And now it is believed that the real story is going to break out right now, because the big names will be coming out. And people like Akshay Bandarpurkar, who should be very careful, because the people of Maharashtra are against the use of drugs. The people of Maharashtra are against the drugs racket. The people of Maharashtra are against Riya Chakrabarti's drugs racket. The people of Maharashtra hate personal attack on Sushant's family. And that is really the real key issue right now. And to try and use a regional card will not work. In fact, it's going to go completely against them. Viewers, live and exclusive pictures there from the Narcotics Control Bureau. Ketan, it's going to move very fast right now, Ketan. Ketan, please understand. Everybody is going to come down, and for the Home Minister to threaten, the Home Minister of the State threatens Kangana Ranaut. The Home Minister of the State threatens Kangana Ranaut. The Home Minister of the State threatens Kangana Ranaut. The Home Minister whose job it is to protect every citizen of this. The Home Minister threatens Kangana Ranaut. The Home Minister says she has no right to come. The Home Minister threatened Kangana Ranaut. How could he?
What Kangana said has hurt everyone. I'm talking as a common Mumbaiker. What her utterances.
I'm sorry, she has said nothing wrong. She has said that we are not POK. She has asserted a right to come to the state. Shreya Narayan can open your eyes on this one, Shreya. You are spinning it because you conveniently.
This is just a series.
Because you're realizing that Kangana has the full support of the Shiv Sainiks.
This is a
all Shiv Sainiks are angry today with Sanjay Raut for threatening, and the Home Minister, all Shiv Sainiks are embarrassed today that the Home Minister of the state is threatening Kangana Ranaut. All people are embarrassed.
Actually, sir, you do not have...
The Constitution gives her a right to move.
No. Yeah, so why is she being threatened? Is Anil Deshmukh above the Constitution?
Is Anil Deshmukh...
Regionalism.
Shreya, please.
Her rank.
Shreya, please understand.
Well, I just want to say that this has been going. Can I speak, please? This is just a series of intimidation which has been going from the beginning of Sushant Singh Rajput case. When IPS officer was quarantined, he was not allowed to investigate. Then the family was slandered. Then CBI was threatened. It was said that if CBI comes into, we are going to quarantine the CBI itself. Have you heard of such a thing? All this is just a series of threatening which is going on to intimidate witnesses and people. That is why people are fearing for their lives. The witnesses are, fearing for their life.
I think a statement should be given out right now.
And misusing the name of Mumbai police.
Pineapples are not the same.
The government is misusing the name of Mumbai police to intimidate people and make us fear that if we speak, we question the investigation. I am not shrill, ma'am. You are interrupting me. I am not being shrill at all. I am speaking. So please listen.
Yeah, because you're going on linking things. You're linking things that have nothing to do with each other. Where is the link? Where are you going?
It's a standalone.
Where are you going? Come to the point.
Nothing happens in standalone.
Where are you going?
I'm going to a place where Shiv Sena MLA
come to the point.
That if
come to the point. This is not your show. This is not your personal show that you can keep on and on and on and on and on.
My question to you is that
for the last 5 minutes you've been talking non-stop.
Isn't it terrible? Isn't it terrible that while
you're talking non-stop, it's not your show alone. It's not your show alone, and you can't keep talking. And you're linking things. You're linking apples and pineapples. They're not the same.
About events, ma'am. Actually goes and
the fact is you do
you're
realize.
Talking about everything you want to link to one thing.
Okay, we have latest pictures coming in, viewers.
Don't.
We have pictures coming in. Let's go back to the pictures, viewers. At the NCP office, we have Dipesh Sawant. I think we are getting some visuals. Look at that.
Come to the point. You come to the point. Why would a MLA send a women's wing to hurt somebody? Have you ever heard? Why
You're not letting me talk for me to come to the point. You've been going on non-stop like it's your personal. It's not a home video which you're making in your house.
Shreya, please.
Is this a home video you're making in your house that you're going on and on and on and on?
You are supposed to speak to me like this, ma'am. You are not supposed to speak to me. You are elder to me. Please have some grace. You are supposed to speak nicely. Thousands, millions of people are watching you. So please,
I'm asking you not to go on and on. You're going on. You're not letting anybody talk. You're not letting anybody talk. For 5 minutes you've been going on. Now it is 10 minutes. Now it is 10 minutes since you've been talking. I am much older than you, so maybe you should show some respect now. You know, I'm older than you. Maybe you should show some respect now, you know.
I am very ready to show respect, but you should show some grace and not butt in when somebody is speaking. Please,
oh, please.
Please
you know, the last 10 minutes you've been going on. That 5 minutes has become 10 minutes
really?
now. Can other people talk? Can Arnab talk? Can somebody else talk? Please.
Okay, thank you.
I've been seeing the ma'am.
Okay, thank you. I like Anuja also to come in, please. Anuja
Let
and
Arnab talk.
No, I'm just saying here.
Why?
I'm just saying here that you know, I truly believe. You may differ with her, but what I feel terrible about Akshay Akashdeep is the Home Minister of a state says that she should not come here. The Home Minister is responsible for law and order. The Home Minister of the state went on record.
Arnab, can I please?
No.
Arnab, may I please say something on this? Arnab, may I please say something? Please let me say something on this. I think, you know, I think Maharashtra has got, I think the Home Minister has got COVID, he's got Pune, he's got the cases spiking in Pune.
No, but why is the Home Minister saying that she should not be allowed to speak? No, 1 minute, just a minute.
Exactly.
Bharti, don't give an apology for this. Today, if the Home Minister were to say, today would the Home Minister of Maharashtra say that because Amir Khan says I don't feel comfortable in this country, he should not come to Mumbai? Can he stop Amir Khan from coming?
The Home Minister shouldn't even be talking.
So why did the Home Minister say that? That's my point.
The Home
Anuja.
Minister shouldn't even be talking about
this. It was a threat. As far as I'm concerned,
I'd like everybody to be a lot more magnanimous. I'd like Mumbaikars to be magnanimous and just stop this.
It's not, I'm not talking about
We'd
Mumbaikars.
like Kangana to come here on the 9th and be safe.
No, she will be safe, but I wonder why there was need to threaten her with physical harm. Anuja, please.
Yeah. So have you ever seen Arnab, a Home Minister, lynching down to that level where the Home Minister itself is posing a coercive threat language to a common man? Have you ever seen that? So don't you see that there is a direct link which we have always been putting up, the Arnab has been putting up, and we all have been putting up on this, that there is a direct link of Shiv Sena.
Akashdeep is on the debate. My question is 1 minute, Anuja, 1 minute. Anuja, the question is, what was the need? What was the need for it? You can't say anything without proof. So I've told you that before. So I can't say. I can say there is a link between Disha and Sushant.
But
the other links you are making are not something that you have proof on. So I don't agree with that. My question here is this. My question is this. Anuja, listen. Let's be responsible in all we say. Let's be responsible in all we say. Okay, right. Swapnil and Akashdeep. First Akashdeep, then Swapnil. Yeah.
Arnab.
Yeah.
Arnab, I am supposed to give a reply.
Sure you can.
Arnab, can I come in here?
Sure you can.
Yeah, go ahead, Akashdeep, go ahead.
Arnab, my point is, I understand the undercurrent, I understand the intention, but the choice of words that she used, that is Bombay POK or Taliban, is probably what has aggrieved them. You know, when the same Amir Khan said, I feel unsafe in Bombay.
It was not 1 minute. Akashdeep, you understand English.
She's saying I'm unsafe
Akashdeep,
here.
1 minute. Akashdeep,
and what
listen
is this
to me.
Drug disclosure?
Akashdeep, listen to me.
Akashdeep,
listen to me. Akashdeep, 1 minute. 1 minute, listen. You exactly know what she was saying. She was saying it's not. And that's why she was posing what is called in English a rhetorical question. She's asking a rhetorical question. You are taking it literally. I don't know why. Why you are doing it deliberately?
Rhetorical question. Agreed.
Everyone is on the debate. All eight.
I'm not doing. I agreed. I told you I understand the intention.
Then if it's a rhetorical question, why are you misinterpreting it?
Okay, Akashdeep, can I come in?
Can you believe if somebody else would have used those words? Do you know how you?
She has not. She's asked a rhetorical question, for God's sake. And you are threatening her. You are saying she can't come to Mumbai. Ridiculous.
Arnab, she is making a new statement every day. Every day she's making a new statement. Today she's telling you that I know that drugs killed Sushant and she's ready to help. She's the same person who said that nepotism killed. Why didn't she? She's hearing the news.
You have a problem with Kangana because what you are failing to recognize is. 1 minute.
Anna, can I come in?
Just I want Roshan Gary to come in 1 minute before you, Swapnil. Listen, the fundamental problem that everyone has is the fundamental problem everyone has with her is the fundamental problem everyone has with Kangana is that because she spoke up, this whole matter became a national controversy. Gary.
Yeah, Joy, that's not the point. She did not say directly, Joy.
Roshan, they don't know me as Joy.
Okay, sorry, Akashdeep. Okay, Akashdeep, the thing is she did...
Akash. No, Roshan.
Okay.
Roshan, I have nothing. I've told Anurag on several occasions. I salute her for showing the guts and for saying we need an interrogation. Everything else is a personal angst of hers.
What personal angst? What personal angst?
10 years later and talk. When Deepika talks about 8 years later about depression, she finds that a problem.
It is so disgusting to see the way they are. Now, there is a COVID situation going on and people are allowed to go out for the morchas and burn the things and all and everything. Why is this allowed on the streets of Mumbai? Isn't this dangerous?
I understand. I am not.
I'd like to go to Swapnil also, please, right now. Swapnil and Akshay will be on the debate, two at a time. Thank you, gentlemen. Swapnil and Akshay Bandarpurkar will debate, but you will have Bardapurkar will debate, but you'll have to be quiet and listen to each other.
Akshay, can I speak first?
No. First of all, you decide who goes first.
Okay, Akshay, I'll go first. Then you rebut me. No problem. If you don't have a problem. Okay, Akshay, let me bring out 2-3 points. That's all I have to say. My first point is that under Article 19(1)(d), as a lawyer, I'll speak 1 point. She has a citizen of this country has a right to go to anywhere, wherever he pleases, whether to work and to live. That's point number 1. Point number 2 is that I'm as much a proud Mumbaikar, perhaps more. You will not believe I watch Marathi films, I speak Marathi, and I read Marathi literature also. I used to read, now I don't have that kind of time. Now to say, trust me, Bala Saheb Thackeray and all the Thackeray's would be petrified at this kind of a thing. They will not endorse this at all. And they will say कि ये मेरे मुंबई में ये नहीं हो सकता है कि किसी को भी ये बोलना जाए कि आप आएंगे मैं देखते हो कैसा है. Okay, she's a lady. She's spoken 2-3 things and she's okay with it. And you have to understand the context. Akshay, she's saying हम लोग का इतना free Mumbai है, ये क्या POK है, ये क्या तालिबान है. Now you tell me.
It's a rhetorical point. It's a rhetorical point. Akshay, 1 minute. Can I make the point?
Ask a question.
Can I make a point? See, Akshay, you want to change the subject from the drugs issue, the money, and the... Akshay, listen to me. Akshay, listen to me, and then I'll give you full time to respond. Akshay, listen to me, and then I'll give you full chance to respond. Do you understand what I'm saying, Akshay? I will speak. I will give you full chance to respond. But you must understand that you must listen to me. Listen first. First of all, please understand the great state of Maharashtra.
Exactly.
Okay? With great leaders like Balasaheb Thackeray.
Yes.
Okay? The culture of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. People in the state are very proud of their heritage. And let me tell you one thing, Akshay. Akshay, let me tell you one thing. Please be quiet, please be quiet, Akashdeep. Please be quiet because it disturbs me. In this state, the people of the state do not tolerate the drugs culture that Bollywood has brought. Bollywood mafia has brought a drugs culture into the city, and it is your responsibility to fight it, not to allow it. I can't hear you. I can't hear you at all.
Hello?
Yeah, I couldn't hear you so far. Please speak.
I said Maharashtra never ever tolerated the drugs culture. It will not, even now, today, and in future also.
Then why are you allowing the Bollywood mafia to do what they are doing? Why are you supporting the Bollywood mafia? Why don't you fight them? People like Riya Chakrabarti. Stop them. Stop them. Perform your duty to the people of the state, Akshay. Stop them.
And what about the conditional journalism that you're doing, indulging into?
My journalism, you are questioning. Of course, my journalism is right. I am questioning the drugs mafia. What's wrong with that? You want to question my journalism? I will question the drugs mafia. I will question the drugs mafia day in and day out.
Ever want to be a part of a show which is grand.
Day in and day out, I'll question the drugs mafia. What will you do? Day in and day out, I will.
No. This is conditional journalism, according to me.
No, that may be your definition. You are not a journalist. I can't take a certificate in journalism from you. You tell me, why aren't you fighting the drugs mafia? Allow me to complete. Akshay, let me remind you, for 65 days, we have been fighting. And Kangana is absolutely right. There is an entrenched drugs culture of use of hard drugs, cocaine, MDMA, ecstasy in Bollywood. She's an insider. She knows. You should be supporting her. You should be supporting her. It is because she. Why don't you support her? Swapnil, why don't people like Akshay support what she's saying?
Akshay, I have a question for you. Akshay, I have a simple question for you. Akshay, will you listen to me? Akshay, please. Just very simple question to me. Okay, I'm talking to you as a person who will ask you, if there are a lot of terrorist activities in this country, I'll say, "Ye kya Pakistan hai kya?" Then are you going to agree with what I'm saying? That I'm a very proud man, right? That's what I'm asking you. So what is wrong in that question?
No. This one thing is about saying, and one thing is about tweeting. It has been tweeted, something. And she's been doing this for all the publicity.
No, she's been questioning the drugs culture throughout. You look at all her statements, you must understand them in detail. If there is one person who has consistently fought the use of drugs, it is Kangana, and people like you should have supported her. I am disappointed that people like you have not supported Kangana. This was your opportunity to fight the drugs mafia.
Akshay, you are a Maharashtrian, you are a state of Maharashtra. You should be supporting more emphatically. Jahan wo sach hai, wahan support karo. Jahan galat hai, mat karo.
I will support the right things. Where does it?
Correct.
Bharti Pradhan, when will Bollywood finally find its voice? Bharti, on a curious note, Bollywood has been hiding for about 60 days now. When will they come out of hiding? And secondly, I heard that many Bollywood stars and producers have left the country because they are worried about being arrested.
Arnab, we will find our voice when you stop. We will find our voice when we can go after the entire drug mafia and not after just one industry. Because the drug mafia cannot exist without politicians, without corporate help, without everybody else. So don't go after just one industry.
So you will continue
go
the
after
drugs.
The entire mafia. We are with you.
You will continue the drugs.
We are with you.
Okay.
We are with you. But go after the entire mafia and don't target just one section.
No, my industry raises the voice for the pets, for the RA trees, for the migrant workers. But why aren't they raising the voice for this? Why are they waiting?
Well said. I'll have to close at that point. Some very critical questions asked.
Ungrateful. We are against being ungrateful.
Bollywood drugs culture has to be fought, Ketan. Do you understand that? It can never be allowed.
Absolutely.
In Mumbai or in Maharashtra, anywhere in the country.
Yes.
That's all I'm saying. That's all that I'm saying.
Everybody loves Mumbai.
Against the city, which gave us
Bharti, why don't you write about drugs?
That's all that I'm saying. And I thank you very much for that. Thank you very much for that.